Downloading Visual Studio Code is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to download and install Visual Code on Windows. Open your web browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website https://code.visualstudio.com/. On the Visual Code website, you'll see a big download for Windows button. Click on it. The download will begin automatically. It might take a moment, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. It is typically found in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file. It's usually named something like vscodesetup.x to start the installation process. The Visual Code installer will open. You will be presented with a series of setup options. After the installation is complete, you will see a completed message. Click the Finish button. Visual Studio Code is now installed on your Windows computer. You can launch it by searching for Visual Studio Code in the Windows Start menu and clicking on the application. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. You can now start using it for coding, text editing, and other development tasks. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Midnight Coder Hub and like this video.